Moving on, let us try to do something like this. So if you give sout in IntelliJ, it gives system.out.println. Now I am using the US ASCII. Let's go and give vanakkam. Now my IntelliJ uses UTF-8, but my file is not going to have this particular symbol table. So it says there's an error. So you can do a few things. You can remove this. Okay. You can this vanakkam what I have given, it is not going to print. So if you see here, it will give me an error, and it will ask me to make some changes. See, it's an unsupported character set. This is one more new error which you can see. So let us say that you want to do Turkish, Arabic, Hindi or something. This is not going to work. So for example, as long as the file is stored in ASCII, this will not get saved. I will not be able to save it. I will not be able to run it. Okay. So now let's run this. You can see that I'm able to get hello world or hello. So, but when I am going to have this added, oops, sorry. When I'm going to have this Tamil word added, vanakkam, which essentially means it's a term of greeting. So when we run this, you'll find that it's not able to run essentially. Can you see it's giving a question mark? It's because that character set is not there. So it'll have as many question marks as the Tamil word which we try to put in. So now let's change it to UTF-8. UTF-8 is probably the preferred character set, and I have to reload the file from disk. Let me now paste this and let us run. Now when we run this program, you'll find that the vanakkam is getting printed. The same thing applies to Hindi or any of the other languages which you want. So the concept here is there's a keystroke. The keystroke is converted into the equivalent character set. The character set is nothing but a internal representation of the character in a number, which can be converted to a binary number, and that binary number is mapped to a character map. So the whatever is there in the character map gets printed out. To go beyond English, we use UTF and other character sets. So if you see a web page also, you'll find that one of the things in the browser is what is the encoding which it has been done. So once the encoding is known, the computer tries to either download the font or tries to load the character set to its memory. And if it is not going to get, you will be having the question mark or some funny symbols printed. So I hope you found this useful. This is a very important concept, especially when you're going for internationalizing.